Okay. But you know,
And then after no actually, nag-plateau na yung weight ko.
oh,
Hindi na siya tumataas, hindi na siya bumababa. Sabi ng dietitian, normal daw yun. Magpa-plateau talaga yung weight mo.
outstanding. But the bigger picture, mas magandang mga benefits sa'yo is you no longer probably feel as sleepy or
Yeah.
dizzy. Tapos
Except
nawala na
for
yung
pag mataas uli yung sugar mo. Right
hmm.
now, di ba, 1 week akong cheat day. So, nararamdaman ko na naman siya.
Oh, well, sometimes naman we need to treat ourselves, but then of course there are always consequences, no?
Yeah,
Um,
pero kung if ever alam mo na yung system tsaka yung techniques, the next day nakukuha mo siya. Actually, ang bilis din mag-flat ng tummy mo eh. The next day. Pag
hmm.
yung nakuha mo na siya yung technique talaga,
Um,
automatic na siya.